Welcome back, folks. Today on Product Critique, we're diving into the world of car care with a product that's been making waves, new finish car polish.
Now, if you're looking for the best car window polish on the market, you're in the right place.
New finish car polish
Isn't your ordinary polish, it's a game changer.
Imagine a product that not only delivers a showroom shine, but also provides long-lasting protection for your vehicle's exterior.
That's exactly what New Finish does. Let me break it down for you. This liquid polish is designed to keep your car looking like it just rolled off the lot with only one application per year.
Yes, you heard that right, just once a year. The application process is a breeze. Simply wash and dry your car, then apply New Finish with a damp cloth, one section at a time.
Let it dry to a haze and wipe it off with a clean, soft cloth.
No heavy rubbing or buffing required. But what sets New Finish apart from the rest? Well, for starters, it's the only polish available with no wax.
This means it's specifically formulated to protect your car's paint and clear coat finish without breaking them down.
Don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about New Finish. From its ease of use to its impressive shine and long-lasting protection, it's no wonder why New Finish is a favorite among car enthusiasts. So there you have it,
folks. New Finish car polish is the ultimate solution for keeping your car's windows shining bright.
Say goodbye to frequent applications and hello to a year-long shine with New Finish. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Until next time, happy polishing.